Hey everybody, Deanna Danger back here at the Monocle. Today we are bringing you some virtual cocktail tutorials with our bartender Bobby. He's been a bartender about 5 years and we are so lucky to have him here at the Monocle. So he's going to jump on today and show you a little recipe of easy stuff that you can make at home. Bobby?
Hey everybody, Bobby your bartender here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic cocktail known as the Old Fashioned. Something that's always a high demand here at the Monocle, and I'm happy to share that recipe with you. For this recipe, actually, all you're going to need is a sweet bourbon. For this one, I'm going to be using 4 roses, mixing glass with some ice for mixing the cocktail. Simple syrup will provide you with the recipe for making your own simple syrup at home. It is really just equal parts sugar and water that you bring to a boil until it condenses. And your bitters, normally I'll be using the Angostura and Peychaud's bitters for this. You're going to start off with your mixing crystal and give yourself a good generous pour of that bourbon, going about 2 ounces here. Good squirt of your simple syrup in there to add some of that sweetness. Top that with your Angostura, about 3 to 4 shakes. And about 2 shakes of the Peychaud's to give it a little bit more sweetness. Just give that a good, healthy stir. Get yourself a loaded rocks glass with some ice. Strain that right on top. A little bit of orange for garnish. Cherries if that's your preference. And that right there is your Old Fashioned, and I hope you enjoy it. Because I certainly will. Thanks for joining me.